I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at the various sizes and styles of SNOO sacks. And these are the sacks that are used to connect your baby into the SNOO bassinet, which I've got over here, and in order to keep them swaddled in there. So we've got a couple of different sizes, a couple of different styles. SNOO sent me these to check out, so thank you for that. Firstly, we've got the small over here. I opened this one up so that you can see what it actually looks like. All of them are basically the same design in terms of the functionality of it. You just get different sizes and different styles. So I wanted to open one up. Basically, there's this interior piece. These are almost like little wings that fold in and keep your baby snug inside of there. I'm going to demo those in some other videos, but it basically keeps them swaddled and their arms contained. And then this zips up. Their head would come out here, their shoulders would be in the mesh at the top, and it makes them into a nice little nugget there and keeps them nice and cozy. Now these wings on the side are what actually connect them into the SNOO bassinet so that it can do its magic in terms of rocking them and shushing and everything automatically. So that's the design, and again, this is the small size. All of these are made with organic cotton, which is great anytime that there's a lot of skin contact with your baby. Obviously, that's nice to have an organic cotton. And just to look at the different sizes here, this is for the small size, starts at 5 pounds. So even if your baby was a little bit premature or on the smaller side, you should be able to start to use this pretty quickly with them. And then we go up to, that'll take you up to 2 months. This is 2 months to 4 months is medium, 12 to 18 pounds. And then the large size over here, 4 to 6 months. And that's basically the point where you would start to wean them off of the SNOO because they're starting to be able to sit up at that point and roll over. This will take you up to 26 pounds. So 26 pounds at 6 months, that would be a really big baby. So I think this will keep you covered, no matter what size your baby's going to be, starting all the way with that 5 pound, small size here. The other things that are nice here, we've got a couple of different styles. So these are, this is I like to call it like a cow design. It looks like a cow or Dalmatian. Got these little black spots, adds a little personality there. There's also, it'll come with your SNOO, a just basic white small sack. Let me bring that out. Yep, so there we are. This is the small one here, just white basic design. Then we've got medium, and I'm showing here these two different designs again, the cow and the sort of standard white, and then we've got our large sack over here, and again, different styles available, but I've just got my basic one. So this can really grow with your baby all the way from when they're born all the way up until 6 months or thereabouts. And I like also that we've got, again, different styling. You can personalize these, and then all of them tie into the little wings and clips inside of the SNOO robotic bassinet.